Hey guys, welcome to the video. So today, me and Chloe decided to go kayaking. The weather does seem quite good, but it's a bit chilly. It's a bit chilly today. Hopefully it'll be alright. As you can see in my car, Chloe likes playing jokes on people. She's decided to put pictures all over my car. What the f*** is on my car? What the f*** is on my car? It's a penis. You okay? Let's go. That she doesn't know about the horn being wired into the brake lights yet. Let's have a look at what her reaction's like.
I don't feel like that's all that's been done.
Why?
Because I know what you're like. My door's going to hit that car.
Hopefully this thing floats better than the other one. I might not lose my phone this time.
I don't need the heaters on so the heaters can stay off.
I'd advise giving the heaters off. I can't get my stickers off.
I don't think you've done anything else.
No.
I don't think you've done it either because you haven't been out since I've been back, so I know my car was left here.
I need to get my stickers off somehow, I don't know how.
I'm just going to go to the car wash.
You reckon I'll get them off? Well, I get them off for you?
Yeah. I'll pay them to get them off. It's hot, isn't it?
It's just a window, isn't it? What are you doing? Take your foot off the brake. What's wrong? What's wrong with your car?
Oh, that's probably the most joke you've ever made. What the fuck?
What's wrong with your car? Why are you beeping everyone for? I think she's realised what the prank is. There's something wrong with your car.
What do I do?
You can't do anything.
Have you wired it to my battery?
Yes.
When he plays the best prank. My brake is now my problem. That's quite a good one, I'll give it to you. I can't drive to Ipswich like this.
You have to.
So I just undo it?
You can't.
I'm just not going to brake, I'm just going to use
You have to do it that way.
I knew you'd done something, I knew.
That gets you back.
It's quite a good one though.
Join them two together. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I can't help it.
Why are you beeping everyone?
They're looking at me. Oh no. Oh no, this is so embarrassing.
I thought no one could get you, could I?
What?
I got it. Sorry, why are you beeping them? What are you beeping everyone for?
Literally bubbling on water, not on the left side.
See it? You just got all the beeps on it. Like that guy was shaking his head at you, Claim. That guy pulled over because you beeped at him. Finished. We only spent an hour out there because it was a bit windy. As you can hear, the horn is still linked into the brake. We only spent an hour out there because it was a bit windy. So I'm now off to meet Holly. She said she's got something planned. I don't know what, but hopefully it's not too energetic because my arms are knackered from kayaking.